Assalamu alaikum you all and very good morning. I hope you all are doing very well and I know you all are very much healthy, active and safe at your home as well. And this is your maths recorded session. You all know that I am your grade 3 class teacher Ms. Jazwa from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Vilasan Johar campus. As we have covered 3 chapters before doing this one, and you all know the name of this chapters, that was the number system, addition up to 10,000, subtraction up to 10,000, and now this chapter we have discussed before in our live sessions, but this video is all about how we are going to just do our copy work of geometry. So geometry, let's just see that what copy work we have in this chapter to do. So first of all, you all have to do is take out your copies. You will take out your copy and we will start doing the work of it. So I'm counting till 5 for you all to take out your copies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know you all are sitting and you will need to sharpen your pencils, your blue color pencils, because we are going to do some copy work, and you know the rule that before starting off of any copy work we do start it with the index. So let's just start it from the index. Let's just see that what we have done up till now: subtraction up to 10,000's work, serial number is 10, 11, 12. Now serial number is 15. So all of these serial numbers should be mentioned properly, date should be mentioned properly, and today's date is 1/10/2020. We are going to do the definitions. We are just going to do the definitions of this chapter. So move on to the next slide. Moving on to the is the title page of it. You have to make the title page of it because the previous chapter working has been done, and now what you have to do is you have to make the title page of chapter geometry. We will start doing the work of it from this slide. First, you will write the smart vocabulary. That what vocabulary that we are going to use in this chapter is very important. First, you will, after making the title page, you will write the heading of smart vocabulary. You will write you will write date on the left hand side and CW on the right hand side. So starting out from the first one, the words are line, LINE line, RAY ray, POINT point, GEOMETRY geometry, LINE line, SEGMENT segment, line segment. As I didn't have a space on this slide and I wanted all this to be in this one, so that's why I have written down here. You must have a space over here in your copy, so you just need to continue it. You don't need to just write it like this, okay? Just write it line wise. Number 6 is direction, DIRECTION, direction. Number 7, vertex, VERTEX, vertex. We are going to learn all of these ones word by one in our definition session. Number 8 is diameter, DIAMETER, diameter. Radius, RADIUS, radius. And quadrilateral. This one is quite big and not that easy to pronunciate for you, but you will soon learn to how to pronunciate this word. It's quadrilateral, DUQUADRILATERAL, quadrilateral. So the smart vocabulary words are 10 words. That is, again I am repeating it for you: line, ray, point, geometry, line segment, direction, vertex, diameter, radius, and quadrilateral. Moving on to the main topic, that is our topic definitions. We are going to write the definitions from a very new page, CW over here and date over on the left hand side. So the first one is geometry. Why it is written in bold letters? You all know this. You have to write it with your blue color pencil. Geometry, it is a branch of mathematics concerned with the properties and relations of points, lines, surfaces, and solids. Now you must be wondering that what teacher has told us it is very difficult, but no, it's not that difficult. It's just like that. Just listen to me very calmly and very carefully, that it is just a branch of mathematics. The subject we are just discussing, we are reading, is the mathematics. Maths is the short form of it. We do usually say it maths, but the full form is mathematics, and it is a branch of mathematics concerned with properties and relations of points, lines, surfaces, and solids. So that means that all we have to do, just we have to deal with the shape are just mathematically solution that have been done around it. So it's very easy for you, because in this level you are just going to learn more about shapes, line, ray. So this is all it, and you will soon learn more about the geometry terms as we are going to discuss it in further video. Geometry is a branch of mathematics concerned with the properties and relations of points, lines, surfaces, and so on. Number two, definition is point. You all have to write it in your copy, so please just be very careful while writing it. Neat and clean work should be done. After writing every definition, one line should be leave, so that there is no untidiness in the work. So the points definition is: a point is just a simple dot on paper. The points are denoted by capital letter A, B, and C. Like if you are, what you all know what dot is. So the dot is actually a point. A point is actually a dot on paper. So you can see that this is kind of a dot. You can see over here. This is kind of a dot. So this is a dot and this is a point as well. And the points are denoted by capital letters. What does this denoted by capital letters means? Is just simple. It's not that difficult. It means that it is represented by like A, B, and C. If we are putting the point, we will just write A, B, or C, or any alphabet that we think suitable for that line. Number three is line. A straight path that goes without end in two directions. Means, as you can see over here in the picture as well, that two arrows are going in two directions. They are going. They're not stopping. So that's what a straight line is. So a straight line just goes without any limit, without any two directions. It doesn't have any direction that where they are going to go. They are just two lines that are just expanding towards the opposite sides of each other. So line is just a straight, STRAIGHT, straight path that goes without and in two directions. Number four is the line segment. Now what is line segment? We have first learned that what is line is. Now we are going to learn the line segments. A line segment is part of a line with 2 points. When point A and B are joined together, they make a line segment AB. As you can see over here in picture as well, you just have to put 2 points, 1 point over here and 1 point over here, means the dots over here, so that it will make a proper line segment here. So line segment is actually a part of a line when 2 points जो है वो पार्ट को ज्वाइन करते हैं, like point A, this is actually point A and this is point B, and they are joined together. Point A is joined with point B, so it is just limited that this point A is joined with point B. So together they make a line segment A and B, and they are written like this, a line over them. So A and B, a line segment, is a part of a line with 2 points, means 1 point here and 1 point over here. So that's what makes a line segment. You don't need to make these lines over here. Why? Because it's just for the explanation, further explanation. We have discussed this before, but still I'm telling it to you so that it will be not much confusing, because these shapes do confuse a little of us. So it does to anyone, so no problem. So A and B with a line over it is known as a line segment. 5 is ray. So a ray is a part of a line that has one end point and it goes in one direction without and. A ray is also called half line. You can see that ray is just has only one end point, means ये इसका end point है. You can see this one is ray's end point and it is going on to this direction, means a ray is a part of a line that has one end point and it goes in one direction without and, means एक direction में जाए and it doesn't have any end. So a ray is also called half line, means line which is going in half phase. So that's what ray is. A ray is a part of a line that has one end point and it goes in one direction without and. A ray also called half. Number 6, quadrilateral. Now you must be wondering that this is a very difficult word, but you trust me, this is the one with the easiest definition, and it is a closed figure made up of 4 straight lines and 4 corners. So rectangles are examples of quadrilaterals. As you can see, I have attached this image just for your explanation. No need to make this. You can see that all of the 4 lines and 4 corners have been made proper, so it means it is a quadrilateral figure. This is what a quadrilateral figure is, means it is is a closed figure made up of four straight lines and four corners. Rectangle and square are examples of quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. Be very careful while writing the spelling of it. The last one is diameter. You must be wondering that what actually diameter is. We have learned that what line is, line segment, ray, geometry, the point. Now it's time for diameter. Let's just learn what diameter is. Diameter. Diameter is a straight line passing from side to side through the center of a figure. Means, as you can see that if it's a circle, mostly it is defined in a circle. If there's a circle and from one end of the circle, one point, starting point of the circle to the end point of the circle, means it is dividing it into half. It means that it's a diameter. Means a straight line passing through from one side to another side. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे साइड पे जाती है to the center of the figure. तो इसका मतलब है कि ये diameter है figure का. So that's what diameter is. Now after completing of all over your exercises, we need to do a little bit of exercise that is on your book, textbook page. So all you need to do is you have to open your Smart Mathematics page number 109, in which your chapter geometries is starting from page number 108. And after explaining this, we are going to do the exercises of this chapter on page number 109. So let's just see that we just have to take the line segment. Like I told you before, that line segment is actually a part of a line with 2 points, that is starting from एक dot से दूसरे dot तक. So as you can see that here the pictures, this one I think is ray, this one is also kind of another figure. Just see which one is joining point by point is first. This one is joining point with point. So yes, this one is line segment, and another figure is point to point joining point to point. P to Q is this one. So these two were the line segments in this page. We have done the as well of this page. I am ending the class over here, and this is your recorded session. Take care of yourself, you all. I am signing off. Allah.